Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem if you don't have permission to access on ChatGPT. You will click on settings and you will you will click here on settings. Then this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page you will search about ChatGPT. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us.